Hello everybody and welcome into my class. Here we're going to learn about how to become a professional visualization artist using 3D Studio Max, V-Ray, Mudbox, Photoshop, a bunch of other programs. Just to give you an idea of kind of some of the things that we'll be learning, kind of the basics of how to create. We can look at my desktop here. This is one image I created using 3D Studio Max and V-Ray. There's a couple other things here in my portfolio that I want to show you. So I do a lot of architectural stuff. But you know what? The principles in architecture, it's all 3D, so you can kind of create whatever you want. See, here's some high poly furniture stuff. Hopefully the principles we learn here can be applied to really any field in 3D. Okay, that's enough about me. Let's get started.